You're so mature.
I am.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, you know what? No.
Yeah.
No, I can't.
Look at the tunnel we made. I'm going in. Wait. Do, 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 do. Oh, I got water all over the camera. Damn it. Do, 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 do. Hi.
Hey.
Do, 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 do. Whoa! What the f? Do, 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 do. Ah! Do, 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 do. Let me out! Let me out! Let me out!
No.
Dude, you're gonna collapse this thing and then I'm gonna die.
You're gonna collapse it.
Ugh.
Get out.
Ugh.
Get out.
Okay.
You ruined it. He broke it. Get out.
Wait, can I please sit on?
Now I can't be Zuzu pets anymore. Hey, there's a glove. Wah!
Wait, let's see if we can walk across the bridge.
No.
Dude.
My camera better be waterproof.
He broke it.
It better be waterproof.
It's a you.
What? I got snow on my camera.
Okay, let's see if we can cross the bridge.
I think it's a little too big for me.
Go.
Yeah, I think your head's too big. Hi, Chef.
Aw, come on.
Dude,